wow. Found a frame from, I guess, the previous owner's glasses. Hello. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel, GT Boy Garage. We're going to be working on our project car, which is a 1992 Mazda Miata. Today we're going to be attempting to remove the dash, and we'll see how it goes. Disclaimer, I am no professional mechanic. I've never done anything like this before, so you guys just bear with me. So as you can see, the dash is all cracked up, and this is typical on these 90s Japanese import with the plastic that they use. But for some reason this one, I am not sure. I've never seen anything as bad as this, but we're gonna go ahead and try to remove this today. First thing I'm gonna start with is removing the seats, then working on the center console, remove this bezel, try to get that radio out. Alright, these seat bolts are 14 millimeter. I'd already soaked the bolts in WD-40 to just loosen them up. Alright, so underneath the seat, we have a wire harness. Oh wow, this is so brittle. So what I did, I got me some little sandwich bags that I'm gonna use to label them with whatever parts I'm gonna use back. Alright, so we have another wire harness, same one. We got the clip right here. Just press it down, pull it out. Seat number 2 down. Alright, so now we're gonna be pulling the center console. They have 2 bolts here in the tray, and then we also have 2 here. I don't believe that there's another one in here somewhere. Yeah. So it's a total of 5. So you got 2 in here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 on the other side. So we got a few wire harnesses in here, and we're gonna have to So these are for the power windows, switches. This one is for the little light that goes in here. As you can see, this is no good. All the tabs are broken off from right here. This car has been sitting for... August is gonna be like 6 years since I had it registered. Alright, so in order to get this bezel out, they call it Tombstone. I'm gonna need to pop these air vents out, and I saw a video on YouTube where they just stuck a string in there. Using this little pick to see if I can get it. It's not as easy as it looks on YouTube. Alright, so what I was told is that you're gonna grab it and then just pull straight back. It should pop out. There goes nothing. Woo! And it's out. Nothing snapped or broke. So it does work. Two screws up here that we're gonna take out. One. Two. Alright, so now we gotta disconnect this. Ooh, that was easy. This Tombstone looks in good shape. I don't see anything broken on it. Gross. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and take out this AC HVAC control unit. So we got 4 screws. Get this radiator unit out of here. Found a frame from, I guess, the previous owner's glasses. Hello. Alright, now it's time to disconnect this harness for the radio. Got one. Got this little ground back here. That's what, 6 or 8. Let me go grab. So it is an 8. Say bye-bye, radio. Check and see. Yeah, no CD stuck in there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.